Hi there, Meteorologist Chris Spears in Colorado's Weather Center. We had something really cool happen overnight, and a few different weather stations documented it. The most extreme was here in Yuma at 2:24 in the morning. Temperature was 68 degrees. 1 hour later, it went up to 72. An hour after that, it was 88. And then one more hour at 5:24, back down to 64 degrees. So a 20-degree rise in 2 hours, and then a 24-degree fall in 1 hour. So what caused this? Well, take a look here. It is something called a heat burst. This is when a decaying thunderstorm encounters very dry air aloft. The remaining rain from that storm falls into the dry air and evaporates. And because evaporation is a cooling process, it cools that dry air down. So now imagine you have this pocket of colder air just kind of suspended mid-air. Well, colder air has a higher density than the surrounding warmer air. So that pocket of cold air rushes to the ground, but because it's dry, another process of physics takes place called adiabatic warming. Here in our area, that is 10 degrees Celsius per 1,000 meters of descent. So as that pocket of rapidly sinking air heads to the ground, it warms adiabatically, and that is how the temperature can be so extreme and jump so much during the overnight hours. It's called a heat burst, and they're rare, but they aren't documented unless they happen on top of a weather station. And we were lucky enough that happened last night in Yuma.